As a manufacturing company, our process is to take raw materials and, with the use of energy and manpower, turn them into products that the construction industry needs to fulfill British building regulations. We realize our practices have an impact on worldwide carbon emissions that are damaging our planet, and that's why we have put in place a carbon reduction roadmap to take steps towards a low-carbon future. Let me take you on a journey of where we've come from and where we're headed. We have created and implemented an environmental management system to help control our impact on the planet. This has been further aided by generating flow to eliminate job queues and let customer pull determine what we make, creating additional value for them. We have also installed energy monitoring across our main systems and made energy savings by installing LED lights across the site, relocating chillers outdoors and upgrading aging machinery. We have refurbished our roof to improve indoor climate control and installed solar panels. We are monitoring water treatment and minimizing discharge, while segregating waste to maximize recycling opportunities and generate income. We are innovating and redesigning products to minimize their emissions and waste, as well as responsibly sourcing materials to ensure their life cycles are as green as possible. And we're migrating the company car fleet to electric vehicles and have installed a charging station on site. Our roadmap doesn't end there. We aim to keep ahead of legislation, informed regarding developing technologies, and to continually assess our goals and ambitions in carbon emission reduction. This will help to move Quantum Profile Systems Limited towards a low-carbon future. For more information, please visit quantumprofilesystems.com.